What's up guys? This is Vegas Vixen in the kitchen, but not in my kitchen. Today we're gonna be at 8 Kitchen with my good friend, Chef Sauce, and we're gonna be making mochico chicken. Let's get started. What do we do first?
So first, I fry some chicken thighs overnight.
Okay.
And then I batter it and sit for 24 hours before I fry it. So it's getting fried right now.
Nice and crispy?
Of course. You know what mochico chicken is?
No, what is, so explain to me what mochico chicken is.
Mochico chicken is basically a Hawaiian dish that's dredged with mochico flour. So that's the special thing about it. We marinate overnight, and then we actually dredge it in mochico flour, a blend of spices, egg wash, and then let it sit to have this nice batter, and it's very juicy inside as well.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside.
For sure.
Perfect.
Okay. It's gonna take about 5 minutes.
5 minutes, cool. So that's a nice healthy helping of rice.
And Hawaiian mac salad, of course. We still garnish it also with kimchi.
I love kimchi. Extra kimchi, please.
Okay, no worries.
Salivating. Cabbage.
Bottom.
It looks delicious. So you just threw some salt on it?
Yeah,
okay.
season it with kosher salt.
Is there any particular reason why you use kosher salt and not just like regular salt? Just preference or?
Yeah, preference of course.
Okay.
We cut the chicken.
Oh my gosh, you can tell that it's nice and crispy. You see those juices? I can't wait to eat this. Can I try this? The crumbs. So crispy. Just needs more.
Yeah, some spicy mayo.
Spicy mayo, okay.
For a bucket.
It smells amazing.
And green onion for garnish. There you have it.
Okay.
Right here.
First piece. Here we go. It's kind of big. You know what? I'm just take the whole thing. Super crispy on the outside, super juicy on the inside. Perfect. Thank you so much, Jeffrey.
You're welcome. So you guys, we just watched how this mochico chicken plate was made, and I just want to give you guys a little bit of a background on Chef Sauce. We used to be roommates, and he's actually the person who taught me a lot about cooking, and it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but when I make something and he tastes it, he does this thing where he just tells me, you know what, it needs a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and then it becomes an amazing dish. And he's taught me so many different techniques, and I'm so grateful, and I'm super excited to eat this entire meal right now. All right, let's dig in. Chicken, so juicy and so crispy. Let's go. right away you get that crunch, and then the chicken is cooked perfectly. The flavor from the spicy mayo and the furikake just really complements it. I'm gonna try some with the kimchi because kimchi is my favorite. So good. And I actually like a little bit of pepper in my mac salad, so actually I like a lot of pepper, not gonna lie. Let's try some of this. Everything is so perfect. I can eat this whole thing. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Mochiko chicken, right? Okay. And then I'm gonna just keep looking this way and then we walk. Okay. What's up, guys? So we're not. Wait, what's up, guys? This is Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. So you guys, we just saw how this Mochiko chicken plate was made and a little bit of history on. I'll say it again.